So, hello guys. Today I'm going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So this game is very popular. I'm actually just going to hatch something right now. Okay, let's see what I get. I don't think that's good. Okay, but let's start to build my boat. I know this is started off very quickly, but I don't really have a reason for that. But well, I did kind of like this game, and I want to see if it's made any more improvements. So I'm gonna just try the game. So I'm not the best boat builder in town, but I think I can do something. Okay, what's happening? Okay. Okay, let's see. How do I do that? Okay, there. I still haven't played this game in a long time, so I won't be able to, I'm not going to be able to make the best boat again. So, I'm just going to see what I can do. Okay, I think I'm going to do, really bad because I have played this game a little bit, but this is not what a normal boat will look like. So, we'll just see. I'm going to have a good seat here. Make this look like a king's place. There, I'm even going to add a steering wheel. Where is the steering? It's a steering wheel. Oh, no. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to add some walls to this. Okay, let's add some walls. And I'm also going to delete these seats and add my walls from here. Okay, this is actually going well. How am I not missing anything? Oh, I'm an amazing boat builder. Okay, why did I say that? Okay, get ready for something that's going to happen that I didn't expect. Because I just said I'm an amazing boat builder and I always jinx myself. Oh no, see? So I'm just going to... Such a bad boat builder. I'm going to... Okay, I'm going to add one chair. Maybe... I know this is the first time I've ever played Build a Boat on the channel, but I think this might go a bit... I think you guys might like this. Okay, that's good. I'm not yet, actually. Okay, I think I might have to do that. Where's something else that I can build with? Oh, this. I'm going to do one more level and then I'm going to have my roof. Also, have you guys been liking my new edited videos? Do you think they're better than normal? How do you like them out of 10? Rate it in the comments. Oh no. I'm so bad at this. Okay, quick. Oh man. This is going to be where I'm going to add 2 of these. Perfect. There and there. Oh my, I'm a genius. Okay, I think I'm going to go in here now. I'll see if there's anything else to add. Oh, a flag. I'm just going to add this right at the top. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is a pretty good boat. And also, I think I'm going to add this just for some decoration. Is that even going to work? Is that... Oh, that's the wrong way. Okay, I'll put it that way. I'm adding a lot of things. Okay, I think that's my boat. That's a pretty big boat. Okay, let's go. I'm tired of this. Launch. Okay. No! Oh, my flag. Oh, I'm getting. Oh. Okay. Now I'm sad, and I want that flag to come back. So I'm gonna win this. Actually, I'm probably not gonna win this, but I hope I can win this. Oh, this boat is cool. Wow, I like this. But I don't think I'm gonna survive many. Oh no. Okay, let's see what I can survive. I'm in the clockwork level, am I? Is that the clockwork level? What level is this? Also leave in the comments what video is your favourite that I'm starting to make. It will give me an idea on what videos I should make. And if you guys like them, then I'll just make more videos of it. It'll help me if you tell me what videos you like. Flowerland. Oh no. Oh no. Is there going to be any things to add at this? Oh no! My boat. I'm trapped in blocks. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's. Oh no! I'm only in the third world now. Now fourth. Ooh, this is cool. Mining world. Wow. Oh no! That thing comes off. Oh, the Gem Island. Is this called the Gem Island? I really want to win this money. I hope I can. Oh, this is such a beautiful one. I don't want to leave it. What is this? Is this popcorn? No! This is a circus. I think that's popcorn. No! Why? You like my new shirt? No! 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 This isn't nice. Ooh. What? Shurikens, wow. Nice play, guys. If one of these hit me, I'm gonna be... No! 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 Oh no! Oh no. Hi, miniatures. Oh no. Was this a good boat? No. Oh no. Oh no. No! What? If I can get past this level? No! I'm upside down. No! Oh no! Oh. Oh no! Not this again. Ugh. Oh no. No, 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 no more. No more. Oh, this is... How's my boat still surviving? How? Ooh, I'm upside down. Oh. Okay. Whoa. That was fun. Okay, I'm terrible at this game. Remember to like and subscribe, and goodbye.